Everyone, how are you? And Radhe Radhe. And today I am teach you color wheel. It is very important for you because when you do makeup and doing eye makeup related to anything, you do wear dress, so you know very well how to use color wheel. So first of all, it's mandatory to understand any person who's complement like color and do makeup do makeup. Otherwise you have to need to color wheel. Okay, so first of all, take a notebook and pen and write there. I teach you something important color. First of all, you have to need what is the primary color. I have color wheel, so I teach you with color wheel. Okay, so now you can see the color wheel is like looking like this. Both are have different types. Sorry, we have important color. Like first I have three color, god gifted three color. Okay, so god give every person and make every person with three colors. My hair make with three color and my skin also make with three color. So there is three colors. You call it primary color. So first of all, you have to need to write there in your notebook. First I have primary color, which first you have to need primary color. First is first of all, comment in comment box what is primary color and which one color primary color, how many color, how many primary color. Okay, so right there, here is primary color is first primary color red. Which one? Red. Primary color is red. It's visible all of it. Don't forget three color whose primary color we have god gifted. Okay, so first is, you can see and you can write there, red color. Primary color red color. First is red color. Second is yellow color. Second is yellow color. So primary color we have three color. First red, yellow, and comment in comment box. Third is I tell you. Third is first red, yellow, and blue. Primary we have three color, red, yellow, blue. We have three color is primary color. Okay, so remember please, these thing primary color we have red, yellow, and blue. Can't be mixed from any other color. Do you remember? These are color, god gifted color. Don't make by any mixed color. It can't be mixed by from any other color. Okay, so maybe you have to understand easily. Now your doubt has been cleared. So you can write there, red color, yellow color, blue color. These are primary color. Okay, when we have necessary to understand color wheel when we do makeup. Otherwise we have to, like when we have wear clothes and doing styling ourselves, so we have need to understand color. Maybe everyone had teached by like a second when you are in third class, fourth class, you learned there. Okay, so your doubt has been clear. The color first is primary color. These are god gifted color. Those are god gifted color. Now we have to read secondary color. Okay, secondary color, those mix primary color. Both two primary color mix makes secondary color. Okay, so secondary color, I repeat it again, secondary color, two primary color mixed together and resulting in orange, green, violet. I see you. First of all, you have which one? Secondary color, orange color. Which one? Secondary color, orange color. After orange color, which how to make orange color? Orange color, how to make both color, yellow and red. Both primary color, red primary color, yellow primary color mixed, and it make orange color. Okay, do you have your cleared out? So secondary color, orange color, and violet color. Which one? Violet color. Or orange color, violet color, secondary color. Okay, secondary. Third is green color. Green color. We have three secondary color. Okay, so please don't confuse the here. First violet, orange, green. These are secondary color. Those mix two primary color and make secondary color. Okay, so red and yellow, when you mix, then you prepare orange color. Okay, I repeated, red and yellow mix, red primary, yellow primary, then you create orange color. Okay, you can see red color, yellow color mix, and you create orange color. Okay, yellow color and blue color both have, if you mix, then you create green color. Red, yellow color, blue color mixed, you create green color. Okay, now red color and blue color, if you mix red plus blue, you create violet. Okay, violet color. So first color, three color, primary three color, red, yellow, blue. Secondary three color, orange, violet, and green. Okay, these are character. Yeah, understand? If you have character, these are problem. Primary color has problem in our skin, and secondary color character we have used when we have redness your face, you correct with secondary color green, you apply green. These are color character. Okay, so maybe your doubt has been cleared right now. So first primary color, secondary color. Now third color is tertiary color. Tertiary color, which do you understand which one tertiary color? These three color tertiary color. First is red and violet. These tertiary color. red and orange, these are tertiary color, and yellow and green, this is tertiary color. Blue plus green, this is tertiary color. You can see also these are tertiary color. Primary color, secondary color, tertiary color. Primary color, secondary color, primary color and secondary color, and you can see tertiary color. Okay, so these are tertiary color. Okay, first you have need to secondary color, you have your doubt has been cleared. So now I'm tertiary color. Intermediate color, you said to call it one primary color and take one secondary color mixed together, these make tertiary color. Okay, so now I teach you like warm color. Do you know warm color? Who is warm color? Warm color, those give heated, provide heat. Like, do you know yellow color? Yellow is sun. Sun, what is this? Provide warmness. Okay, and green, grass. Do you know grass? So grass is provide cooling. These are cool color. So you have to need warm color. Warm color is three color: red, orange, yellow. Red, orange, yellow. These three color are warm color. Okay, and cool color: green, blue, violet. Green, blue, violet. So don't have make confused, because remember every time those provide heat, those are warm color, and whose provide cooling, those are cool color. Okay, so now I'm add some color. I have to do this. If you add we come here. If you add blue color, red color, then you get this one color, dark blue. Okay, blue color, red color make this color. And after all, blue, violet, if you mix blue plus violet, you get this one color. Okay, if you mixed violet, cool color. Okay, if you mix violet, blue, and get this one color. If you mix red, violet plus white color, those are mixed and you get this one color. Okay, if you mix red and black, and if you add black and plus red, you get this one color. Has your doubt has been cleared? So if you have something other doubt in your mind, then please comment me, and please watch it. These are very important, all of us, because we are makeup artists, so we have to understand. And if you have to need understand proper, then practice please. If you do practice with eye makeup and color, like every time you have with practicing every time, so you understand easily. Okay, practice is more important. Practice make to perfect person. So don't confuse, and practice, all of you, more and more practice, do it, and we met will be again. Okay, so see you, bye, and please comment in comment box what you understand from this color wheel.